Hi everybody, this is square root of Jim squared going over variables on both sides homework problems. Variables on both sides homework problems. I'm going to go through some CUDA software problems that I assigned for homework. I am also going to tell you my second favorite dinosaur. Moving forward. Okay, I'm about to do problems 9 through 15, but I want a little bit more space to work, so I'm going to use my increase ray. It's actually just me using my fingers to expand the picture. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at is number 9. Negative 8 equals negative times the quantity x plus 4. Distribute the negative sign. Negative 8 equals negative x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides. Now we have negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4 equals, we didn't mess with the negative x equals 4. That last step we multiply by negative 1. I'm not going to show it this second, but if you multiply a negative by a negative, you get a positive. Moving on to number 11. Distribute the negative sign again. 14 equals negative p minus 8. Again, penmanship does not count. Plus 8. Organization does, though. Plus 8. Notice how I'm stacking my like terms. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. It drops out. Negative p equals 22. Multiply each side by negative 1. P equals negative 22. 13. We are not distributing a negative sign, we are distributing a 6. We're left with negative 18 minus 6k equals 6 plus 18k. Okay, this is a normal setup for when you start dealing with variables on both sides. A constant and a variable term, and then a constant and a variable term. I recommend dealing with the variable first, but you don't have to. Plus 6k to both sides. Because I'm eliminating this negative 6k from the right, all my terms will end up, or sorry, I'm eliminating 6k on the left, all my terms will end up on the right. Negative 18 equals 6 plus 24k. Subtract 6 from both sides. Now we're left with, I'm going to come down here. I don't know how I'm going to do that with 15, but I'll make it work. Negative 18 minus 6 is negative 24 equals positive 24k. Divide each side by 24. K equals negative 1. I'm about to erase my work, so please pause the video if you need to. For number 15, we're going to have to distribute first, and then we're going to have to combine like terms. We know we're going to have to combine like terms because we see this negative 3 and this negative 8. But I'll show you that. I want to, in orange, show you the distribution first. So that's 8x minus 6 minus 8, because we didn't mess with the 8 yet, equals 4 plus 2x. Combined like terms, 8x minus 6 and minus 8 combined is minus 14 equals, again, if I'm making any mistakes, I'm doing it on purpose. You should try to catch them. But so far I think I'm good. 4 plus 2x. When you have a variable and a constant on both sides, I recommend moving all the variables to one side. If you pick the smaller variable, then you don't have to deal with the negative x later. 6x minus 14 equals 4. Add 14. And guess what the last step's going to be? It's going to be divided by 6. 6x equals 4 plus, that's 14, equals 18. Divide each side by 6. X equals 3. Number 17, we had to distribute twice. This negative 1 and then this negative 6. Negative 1 plus negative 7x plus 42 plus 6x. That was negative 6 times negative 7, and then negative 6 times negative x equals 36. And then we're left with negative 1 minus 7x plus 6x is minus 1x plus 42 equals 36. Combining the negative 1 and the positive 42, negative 1x plus 41 equals 36. Subtract 41 from both sides. I'm going to move over to the right. Negative 1x equals negative 5. Multiply each side by negative 1, we get x equals 5. And for 19, the last problem I'm demonstrating this evening, we have 24a minus 22 equals negative 4 times the quantity 1 minus 6a. I change colors. Distribute the negative 4. 24a minus 22 equals negative 4 plus 24a. I got the negative 4 from negative 4 times 1, and the 24a from negative 4 times negative 6a. Now we're left with 24a minus 22 equals negative 4 plus 24a. I recommend starting with the variable term first because, as you'll see with this problem, subtracting 24a from both sides gives us negative 22 equals negative 4, but that is a lie. Negative 22 does not equal negative 4. This answer is null set, no solution. Okay, everybody, you would think this is my second favorite dinosaur, the T-Rex, and I'm going to even write it, T-Rex. This is not my second favorite dinosaur. I actually don't have a second favorite dinosaur, but I'm going to keep pointing at Tyrannosaurus Rex and pretend that it's my second favorite dinosaur, but it's actually not. I don't have a second favorite dinosaur. Email me if you have any questions about your homework. Take care.